Good morning, guys. A new day, a new destination. Today we are heading to a destination which is called as Heaven on the Earth. So come along with us and enjoy the journey. And here we leave Mumbai en route to the Western Ghats and to our destination, the Malshej Ghat. So enjoying the nature's beauty, we drove for almost an hour and a half and stopped for our breakfast at Hotel Pranjali. After having our breakfast, our journey continues. After driving for a short while, we saw a small little temple on the banks of a river. And we saw some beautiful views in the lap of nature. As our journey continues, we saw a spectacular view of herd of sheep which were also traveling on the same road. After driving on a smooth road, the ghat starts from here. And as we drive on the ghats, our journey becomes more exciting and adventurous.